favors. If you support me, then book me. Look, I'm calling in my favors, friend. Go on, share my shit. Said I'm calling in my favors. If you with me, show that shit. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a real boss channel. Okay, today is, I don't have my watch on, I don't even know. Today's Sunday, September the 8th, and we're about to go, as y'all can tell by the title, play golf today. We're not about to go, we're finna go. I'm here with the golf course, babes. Okay, I'm outside. So we're finna get ready to get started with Sister Swing Tea Time. For those of y'all who don't know, I have a nonprofit organization. Within that organization, we have a women and girls initiative where we focus on personal and professional development called the Influence Her Community. It's a big old sisterhood of amazing young ladies and women coming together to support each other. We do social events, but again, we focus on personal and professional development. But this is one of our social bonding events. We're actually doing this to prepare because June 2025, the BSOU Foundation Influence Her Community will be hosting its first annual golf tournament called Sister Swing Classic, and we're super excited. So that's going to take place June 2025. So we're doing Sister Swing Tea Time, which is where the girls, we're going to go practice a little bit of golf. We have 3 dates for 2024, and then we have like 6 or 7 of them next year as well, already planned and in motion. That way we get to get some practice in before the actual tournament. So yeah, I'm here today. We're at Overton 9 practicing. The intent was to use the same course, but we're probably going to do different courses, just for the simple fact of, like, popularity. Is that a word? I don't know if that's a word, but for like the based off how popular each course is, because we don't really want to be rushed. You don't want to be rushed through a course, especially being beginners. If you've never played golf before, I used to hate it when I was learning, and like these professionals would be rushing me, like, it was like I just had to get out the way and be like, all right, here y'all, go ahead, because no, go and play that hole so I can get up out y'all way. But yeah, so my mom and sister just went into the clubhouse to go and get our stuff, and yeah, we're just waiting on the other girls. I think we only had about 6 or 8 ladies RSVP. It was, I mean, not a mandatory thing, but just so that we have a head count once whoever gets here first to go ahead and put us on the list for a party of 8 or whatever the number would be. And so yeah, that's what they are in here doing, and we're just waiting on the other ladies to arrive. I have to edit something on the registration for Sister Swings. I gotta add phone numbers or something. I just want to know if anybody else, because of the simple fact that I don't have no way to contact these women. Like, now that we're here, like, one of my girlfriends is here, Maya, and I have her number. She has my personal cell, so she could call me and be like, okay, which side of the course are you on? Am I in the right place? But it did not dawn on me to put phone numbers on the RSVP so that I could just make a little quick group, Sister Swing, like, hey y'all, we're meeting here, take a picture in front of here or whatever, so that they know exactly where we are. I didn't do that, and I should have did that, but I'm gonna know for next time. For the next one, September 29th, I'm going to ask for phone numbers. So yeah. My phone case is so stinking cute. Yeah, I guess my mama got it together because I haven't heard anything. She ain't said nothing. So I'm assuming she's getting our carts and stuff, and we're all good to go. And I'm not sure where Maya is because she ain't called me back either. I don't know where nobody is, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog and take y'all with me. Why the light get? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna vlog and bring y'all with me. I'm in green today and not pink. Say what? What? I am in green and not pink. Can y'all believe that? That is wild. But yeah, so I guess I will see y'all once we get everything settled, and yeah.
There you go. Game. Got the wrong person playing. You got it.
You got it.
And I am left-handed. This already feel weird.
Aww.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit it. Hit it. You want to drive it.
Ooh, damn. I almost knocked them.
You did hit it though.
Out the way.
Oh, that happens.
Move our car.
Oh, that happens. Here, get it.
Oh, and then we supposed to go drive and get the ball.
Well, you don't pick it up. You play from the field.
Oh, okay.
Wrong thing.
Okay, so we can drive out here.
Mm-hmm. You don't want to try to drive once we get down there. You don't want to drive on the green. And you do have to watch if other people are playing behind you, because you will get hit in the head.
We getting knocked. We gonna follow you.
Yes.
Huh?
It's been a minute.
I couldn't even tell you. I saw those. I almost lost our yeah,
And you gotta remember where your ball is too.
I saw was just thinking, right?
Yeah.
I was like,
Alright.
and then you take the tee, go over there, and
Well, you don't do nothing else with the tee. You play from the grass.
oh, okay.
Once it's on the field, you play.
Okay, I'm learning something new. So they didn't teach us something new. All right. Our ball.
Professionals want to be out here while damn, I went okay. We like it. We like it.
That made a crisscross. That was cool. Right.
Thank you. Hi, ladies. How you doing?
Hi!
So, how are you guys enjoying Sister Swing? This is our first tea time. How are you enjoying it?
I'm having a great time.
And what brought you into the influencer community?
You know, I really came to the influencer community because I could just feel the sisterhood. I come from a family full of nothing but girls, and that's all I've ever really wanted, like being surrounded by other fellow really strong women.
Sister Swing tea time! Woo! Waiting on my team behind me. I don't know where the hell hole 3 is, but we're gonna find it. Woo! Did y'all trust me?
Yes.
We done been here before. Did y'all trust it? Y'all saw them woods. We was like, where we going? Hi, ladies.
Hi!
So, how are you guys enjoying Sister Swing tea time?
Feeling really good. Making some great connections and learning my sister a little bit more. So it's a great time for us to get to know each other a little bit better.
It's definitely been a vibe. I've enjoyed it. It's peaceful. Just good just to catch up. Something very positive for the city. Yeah, and I want to come back, enjoy more events and stuff.
Awesome.
Yes.
So how do you feel about just the influencer community as a whole?
Well, you make me so proud because you're so young. You have an old soul, and it's such a blessing to see everything that you're doing and the lives that you're going to touch from all ages. So keep it up.
You make me emotional.
Yes. She was
And last question. Oh, I'm sorry. Go
Oh,
ahead.
no. So she was telling me how young you were too. I'm like, okay, yes, because at 23, we was outside. So, girl, keep being inspirational and making sure us women have our, duality of things to do.
Yes. Awesome. And last question. Do you ladies, after today, I know we still got 8 more holes to go, but after today, do you think you will be joining us for the 2025 Sister Swing Classic Golf Tournament?
Ooh,
I'm there. Sign me up.
Yes.
Be there.
I would love to come out for that.
Yes.
Sister Swing Tea Time! Woo!
Go.
Mine hit my foot. Everybody, you didn't even hit your. That did not go nowhere.
It was cute.
Yeah, that didn't go nowhere. Where my stick at? Is that it? I think so. Here go another one. Here you go. No, we doing this time.
Woo!
Everybody went the wrong way, but we did hit it.
Y'all hit it.
Yeah. Everybody went completely the opposite direction. Thank you. Woohoo! There's wind. Girls are gardening. Looking so cute. Follow the golf course, we go left, right?
It says left on it. Go on up to her. I think it's left.
I think we go left.
First off, we're going the wrong way.
Are we?
That's what I thought.
You were so confident though.
I asked you. Because it's taking us this way.
Yeah,
I think it's back
it's
there
the other
behind-
way.
It's behind us.
I got us. I got you specifically. Alright, you guys, so we're wrapping up Sister Swing Tea Time. We had such a blast. It was so fun. We're now get ready to take our carts back. Oh, Lord Jesus. How are we supposed to get through here? I tell them that I'm bossy and cocky. I want foreigns like a Audi, like my new whip, yeah, he